Welcome to part 1 of our 10 creative design ideas for your home makeover. Today, we'll be taking you through some fantastic ways to revitalize your living space, from dab to fab. So, let's dive right in. Colorful wall art. Bring life to your walls with the statement piece of wall art. From painting to prints, there's a world of possibilities to inspire your home. 2. Mix and match textiles. Don't be afraid to experiment with different textures and patterns in your textiles. Mixing up your curtains, cushions, and throw blankets can completely transform your room. 3. Maximize vertical space. Use vertical space effectively by adding shelves, hanging baskets, and display cabinets to showcase your favorite items and create a sense of depth. 4. Floating shelves. Add some personality to your room by creating floating shelves. This super easy DIY project can be done with wooden dowels and some wall brackets. 5. LED lighting. Replace your old light fixtures with energy-efficient LED lights. Not only will they last longer, but they'll also create a more modern and cozy ambience in your room. 6. Layered furniture. Don't be afraid to layer your furniture pieces. Mixing different styles, such as vintage and modern, can add interest to your space. 7. Plants. Bring the outdoors in by adding some greenery to your room. Plants not only add life to your space, but also help regulate humidity levels. 8. Mix and match baskets. Using different sizes and shapes of baskets can create a dynamic and visually interesting arrangement. Mix and match different colors and materials for added flair. 9. Refinish old furniture. Give an old piece of furniture a new lease on life by refinishing it. Sand it down, paint it, or add some new hardware to give it a fresh look. 10. Accessorize. Finally, don't forget to accessorize your room with some fun and functional items. From throw pillows to picture frames, adding personal touches can make your room truly yours. And there you have it, 10 creative design ideas to help you transform your home from dab to fab. All these must-have products are available now at Featherfin store. Remember, sometimes all it takes is a little creativity and inspiration to bring your space to life. Happy decorating!